To add a Visa gift card to DoorDash and use it for your food delivery orders. Follow these simple steps. First, make sure you have a Visa gift card with a sufficient balance to cover your order. You can check the balance of your gift card by visiting the website of the issuer or by calling the phone number provided on the back of the card. Next, open the DoorDash app on your mobile device or access the DoorDash website on your computer. If you are not already logged in, sign in to your account using your email address and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you are logged in, click on the profile icon or your name at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Payment from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Payment Methods page, where you can add, edit, or remove payment methods. On the Payment Methods page, click on the Add Payment Method button. Then select Credit, Debit Card. Enter the details of your Visa gift card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the correct billing address associated with the gift card, as this may be required for verification purposes. After entering the gift card details, click Save to add the card to your DoorDash account. You can now select the Visa gift card as your payment method when placing an order on DoorDash. To do this, start by searching for the restaurant you want to order from and add the items you want to your cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the View Cart button. Then select the Visa gift card as your payment method. Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. Then click Place Order to complete the transaction. It is essential to note that some Visa gift cards may have restrictions or limitations, so make sure to check the terms and conditions of your gift card before using it on DoorDash. Additionally, if your gift card balance is not sufficient to cover the full amount of your order, you can use another payment method to pay the remaining balance. By following these steps, you can easily add a Visa gift card to DoorDash and use it to pay for your food delivery orders. This is a convenient way to use your gift card and enjoy your favorite food from local restaurants.